In this video, I'll show you how you can go ahead and be a Google local guide. Really easy and simple. Come here and click on Get Started on this URL, maps.google.com/local guides, right? This is the exact URL you want to go ahead and use. And then come here and just click on Get Started. Now, what I will do is once this page loads up, I'll have to put in my city, right? This is very important so that, you know, Google can send you locally relevant emails and rewards, and you'll be assisting in that specific city. So click on agree to program rules, toggle this one on as well. Now go ahead and choose your city. I'll do Nairobi, right? Nairobi, Kenya. I'll click on become a local guide. Just go ahead and click on that. And there we go. We are officially a member of the local guides community. As you can see, this is the email I am using right there. Make sure you use the correct email you want to go ahead and use. Now you can start contributing, right? It's literally that easy and simple. Now you can start contributing. For example, if maybe there is a mistake in a certain area with the name of that location, you can go ahead and put in the correct name, for example, right? You can go ahead and do that. And you can make other contributions, right? But it's really that easy and simple.